Hello roadies, what a beautiful sunny Foodie Friday. We are at 62 degrees today. It is so nice and beautiful and blue skies. Just wanted to say a quick word about today's review. It is a Mexican restaurant here in the Salt Lake area called LaCosta. And although the prices were pretty good and the food was okay, our still favorite restaurant for eating Mexican food is called Mi Ranchito, and they have several locations around Utah, Orem, a couple places in Salt Lake, and I think there's even one that's in Layton. Don't quote me on that one, but it seems like that's what I heard. Anyway, that's still our favorite. One of these days we will go there and I will show you what I mean about them. So LaCosta was okay. I had the Chimichanga, Wally had the fajitas, and Summer had the kids meal that had a taco on it. And we paid about $25 for the three of us, which wasn't too bad. And so, like I said, it was good, but it just wasn't quite up to the quality that we're used to. However, if someone said, hey, let's go eat at LaCosta, we would probably go because, you know, it was worth going back to. So it's just really short, just a couple pictures here and there and a picture of the building, and that's all we're going to say about it. So it still gets a 2 thumbs up, just not 5 stars. So take it or leave it. Hey, if there's anybody out there who knows a place that you would like us to go check out and do a review on, just put it in the comments below and we would be glad to do that. We are always looking for new places to try. So remember to subscribe, click that like button, ring that bell, and we'll see you next time. Be safe out there and see you on the road. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are 3 for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.